Welcome to our channel. Making the most of Fire Stick in 2025 means understanding what's possible through legitimate channels. Follow these step-by-step instructions for optimal streaming. Step 1. Explore all official features in settings. Customize your interface, adjust video quality, enable accessibility options, and optimize audio settings. Step 2. Use Alexa voice control extensively. Commands like, "Alexa, show me action movies," or "Alexa, open Netflix," make navigation faster. Step 3. Connect external devices via Bluetooth for enhanced experiences. Pair headphones for private listening or connect speakers for better sound. Step 4. Take advantage of screen mirroring to cast content from your phone or tablet to your TV through Fire Stick. Step 5. Install legitimate productivity apps like browsers or note-taking apps if you want to use Fire Stick for more than entertainment. Step 6. Set up parental controls to restrict content based on ratings and prevent unauthorized purchases by children. Step 7. Keep your Fire Stick updated with the latest software. Updates provide security patches, new features, and improved performance. Step 8. Build a collection of legal apps and services that genuinely meet your needs. Quality and reliability from legitimate sources beat any promises of free premium content from unofficial apps. Enjoy your Fire Stick knowing you're streaming safely and legally. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.